How to PC issue fix white heavy checkmark. Welcome back tech lovers to a new Thursday Teknobalta fix. Today, we are tackling a common yet frustrating issue, the Rockstar Games launcher code 1002 error. This error prevents you from accessing favorite Rockstar games, such as Red Dead Redemption 2 or GTA 5. Let's dive deep into the root causes and provide a comprehensive guide to resolve it. The code 1002 error typically indicates that the launcher cannot access essential files or directories. This often stems from incorrectly configured user profile file paths, particularly the documents folder. It can also be a symptom of corrupted launcher and installation fails or network connectivity problems. Our first step in troubleshooting is to ensure the integrity of your documents folder. This folder is critical for storing game saves and configuration files. Navigate to this PC or my computer in File Explorer. On the left-hand pane, locate and right-click on Documents. Select Properties from the context menu. In the Documents Properties window, click on the Location tab. Here, you should see the default path, which is typically c:\left-u-name right-doc-u-mens. If this path is incorrect or points to a non-existent location, it's a primary cause for the error. If the path is incorrect, click the Restore Default button. This will attempt to reset the Documents folder to its standard location. You may be prompted to move files from the old location to the new one. Confirm this occasion. A common scenario involves OneDrive interference. OneDrive often redirects user folders, including documents, to its SYNK directory. Even if OneDrive is uninstalled, the redirection may persist, causing the launcher to fail. If your documents folder is missing or inaccessible, try manually moving it into the OneDrive folder. First, locate your OneDrive folder, typically at c:\left-u-name right-1-drive. Then, if your documents folder is located elsewhere, cut it and paste it into the OneDrive folder. This occasion re-establishes the correct path that the launcher expects, even if OneDrive is not actively synced. After moving, reboot your system and attempt to launch the game. Next, we must ensure that the Rockstar Games launcher has the necessary permissions to access the Documents folder. Right-click on the Documents folder again and select Properties. Go to the Security tab. Ensure that your user account and system have full control permissions. If not, click Edit, select your user, and check the full control box, then apply the changes. For advanced users, we can inspect the regis tree to confirm the documents folder path. Press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and press Enter to open the regis tree editor. Navigate to hky_software/Microsoft/current version/Explorer/user shell folders. Look for a value named personnel or F42E2D3909F49078887B33D96B1B. Its data value should point to your AK2L documents folder path. If it's incorrect, double-click it and modify it to the correct path, e.g., c:\left bracket users /u-cer-name right bracket /doc-u-mens. Exercise caution when edit the rejis tree. Az incorrect change is can affect system stability. If the documents folder fix did not resolve the issue, we will proceed with a comprehensive clean reinstallation. This ensures that any corrupted launcher fails or conflicts are eliminated. First, open Settings by press ing Windows key +I. Go to APS, then APS and Features. Locate Rockstar Games Launcher and Rockstar Social Club in the list. Click on each and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompt yes to complete the uninstallation process. After uninstall it's critical to manually delete any residual folders. Open File Explorer and navigate to the following locations. c:\u-zers /left bracket u-cer-name right bracket /doc-u-mens /rock-star white space gamz /so-shall white space club. c:\pro-gram white space failsy /rock-star white space gamz /lawn-share. c:\pro-gram white space failsy /rock-star white space gamz so-shall white space club. Delete all of these folders if they still exist. This ensures a truly clean slate for the new installation. Next, we will perform a rejis tree cleanup to remove any leftover Rockstar Games entries. Open the rejis tree edit or again by typing regedit in the Run dialog. Navigate to hky_local_machine/software. Look for any subkeys named Rockstar Games or Social Club and delete them. Repeat this process in hky_current_user/software. Be extremely careful not to delete any unrelated rejis tree entries. If you are unsure, it's better to skip this step or seek professional assistance. After the cleanup, restart your computer. Now, download the latest version of the Rockstar Games launcher from the official Rockstar Games website. Run the installer as an administrator by right-clicking the installation file and selecting Run as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, try to launch the Rockstar Games launcher and game. If the error persists, we need to explore network and connectivity-related issues. Even if you believe your internet is stable, the launcher may have specific connectivity requirements. First, ensure your internet connection is active and stable. Try browsing websites or streaming videos to confirm connectivity. Next, we will flush the DNS cache. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This command removes outdated DNS records that may be causing connectivity problems. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, try disabling it temporarily. Some VPNs or proxies can interfere with the launcher's connection to Rockstar's servers. Conversely, if you are not using a VPN, try enabling one, as some users have reported it resolves the error. This suggests a regional or ISP-related network restriction. Check your Firewall and Antivirus settings. Ensure that the Rockstar Games launcher and your game are allowed through your Firewall. Temporarily disabling your antivirus software for a test run can help identify conflicts. Remember to re-enable it after test ing. Try restart ing your router and modem. This can refresh your network connection and resolve temporary network glitches. If network issues are ruled out, we will focus on system integrity and dependencies. Corrupted system fails can interfere with any application, including game launchers. Open command prompt as an administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press enter. This command will scan for and repair any corrupted Windows system fails. After sfc, run the DISM tool. Type dism/online/cleanupimij/restore health and press enter. DISM helps repair the Windows imij itself, which sfc realize on. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. Outdated system components can cause compatibility issues. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to unexpected game and launcher behavior. Ensure you have the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and .NET framework installed. These are essential runtime components for many games and applications. You can download them from the official Microsoft website. If you launch the game through Steam or a New Thursday platform, verify the integrity of game fails. In Steam, right-click the game, go to Properties, then Locale Fails, and click Verify integrity of game fails. This will check for and repair. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more technical fixes. See you in the next one.